Hello boys, once again welcome back, and you all have done your work very neatly, and learn your numbers also. As you're doing your work, learn your numbers also, say your numbers and write. Alright boys? Okay, shall we begin now? So today we are going to do numbers from 1301 to 1400. So now let's start writing. 1301, 1302, 1303, 1304, 1305, 1306, 1307, 1308, 1309, 1310, 1311, 1312, 1313, 1314, 1315. Boys, why I am going on reminding you to say your numbers? Because when you say your numbers, then you remember your numbers, you learn your numbers. Alright? Till now you all have learned from KG, you learned from 501, and in class 1 you learned 500 to 1000. Now these numbers are new for you. So the more you say and write, the more you will remember. So say your numbers and write your numbers. 1316, 1317, 1318, 1319, 1320, 1321, 1322. Why ma'am is saying and writing for you? So that you also get a practice of saying and writing. 1323, 1324, 1325, 1326, 1327, 1328, 1329, 1330, 1331, 1332, 1333, 1334, 1335, 1336, 1337, 1338, 1339, 1340. 1341, 1342, 1343, 1344, 1345, 1346, 1347, 1348, 1349, 1350, 1351, 1352, 1353, 1354, 1355, 1000. Boys, I hope you all are saying your numbers and writing. 1356, 1357, 1358, 1359, 1360. All right? Okay. 1361, 1362, 1363, 1364, 1365, 1366, 1367, 1368, 1369. What comes after 69? 70. 1370. Very good, boys. Then 1371, 1372, 1373, 1374, 1375, 1376, 1377, 1378, 1379, and what comes after 79? 80. 1380. Good, boys. 1381, 1382, 1383, 1384, 1385, 1386, 1387, 1388, 1389, 1390, 1391, 1392. I hope, boys, you all are saying along with ma'am and writing. 1393, 1394, 1395, 1396, 1397, 1398, 1399, 1400. So do your work very neatly, write your work neatly and do your work yourself. Don't tell your mummies to write your work for you. I'm sure you're going to do your work yourself. Do your work neatly and be safe, don't be naughty and be good. Bye for now.